Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. Now we are going to discuss about the project, a real-time face detection method based on blink detection. Now we are going to discuss about the abstract of the process. Face spoof detection using the machine learning and then the local binary pattern involves the leveraging the discriminative power of local binary pattern features to distinguish between the genuine facial images as well as the spoofed facial images, typically generated through print attacks or the digital manipulations. To avoid these things, in this process we have detecting the face spoof. In case of face is spoofed, in the sense it will be detected and then indicated as a fake face. The approach extracting the local binary pattern features from the facial regions, which is capturing the interactive textures information crucial for the real face for the adaptive replicates. This feature serves as an input to the machine learning classifications, such as the support vector machines, or else the deep learning of the convolutional neural networks, which are trained on the dataset comprising the authentic and then the spoofed facial images. So the feature extraction and classification is done for both the authenticated images as well as the spoofed facial images. After doing the classification, the machine learning should be able to recognize the input is belongs to the genuine or else the fake. By learning the patterns associated with the facial features, the system gains the ability to identify the anomalies of the spoofing attacks. Finally, the performance of the process will be evaluated based on the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. Now we are going to discuss about the flow diagram of the process. This is the overall working flow of this project. This project consists the following steps like input image, pre-processing, segmentation, feature extraction, classification and finally performance estimation. At first, the input image is taken from the dataset. The dataset consists of both the fake face as well as the genuine faces. The user have to select any one image from the dataset. After the selection of the image from the dataset, the pre-processing will be carried out. In this pre-processing, the image will be considered as two kinds of pre-processing. One is the image resize, then the another one is the grayscale conversions. In this image resize, the image will be resized into one size of 256 x 256. The reason for image resize in this sense, for example, if I am giving the input image of higher resolution, in this sense the resolution of the image will be the high, but the time taken to the execution is very high. That is the reason we are maintaining the optimum size of the image by using the image resize. After doing this one, the grayscale conversion is carried out to convert the RGB image into one grayscale form. After doing the pre-processing, the channel separation also will be done by using the segmentation. In this segmentation, the three kinds of channels will be extracted separately, like red, green, blue. So these are the three kinds of channels we have extracted here. After doing these segmentations, the feature extraction will be carried out. This feature extractions, there are two kinds of feature will be extracted by using the machine learning as well as the deep learning. So the CNN will be belongs to the deep learning method and then the LBP belongs to the machine learning method. These are the two methods combined to extract the features from the images. After extracting the facial features from the images, the classification will be carried out. So in this classification also we have implement the two kinds of the classification. One is based on the machine learning and then the another one is based on the deep learning. So the input for the classification, we have three kinds of input. One is belongs to the test data and then the another one is belongs to the trained data. Then the third category is the label data. So we have to import these three things as an input for the classification. Then finally performance estimations. So before that, the result of the classification will be the genuine or else the authenticated one. So in case of genuine, in the sense it will be the authenticated. In case of fake, will be the in the sense it will not be the authenticated. After doing the classification, the performance will be evaluated based on the accuracy, sensitivity and specificity. Now we are going to discuss about the running procedure of the process. And first open the spider 3.7. So we have to install the anaconda 3. After that we have to open the spider 3.7. If you want to execute the file, just change the path like this. Then you have to open the main file.py. Once the code part was open, we have to click the run button. After clicking the run button, the dataset will be open. In that dataset we have two kinds of dataset images will be there. One is belongs to the real faces, then the another one is belongs to the fake faces. So we have to select any one face from the dataset. So after the selection of the faces from the dataset, the process will be done automatically one by one in the console window. You can see the result here one by one. Before the executions, actually executions will take some time, so before the executions we will see the results one by one. This is the input image which we have taken as an input. So the user can select any images, whether it is a real one or fake one, whatever it is. After doing the input image, the resize will be carried out. In this resize image you can see the difference between the x-axis and y-axis. Here the axis will be changed here. So after doing the image resize, the channel separation will be carried out. So in this channel separation, already we have discussed in the flow, there are three kinds of channels will be there in the colored image. One is belongs to the red channel, this is the red channel image. Then this is belongs to the green channel image, and this is belongs to the blue channel image. So these are the results we have extracted by the channel separation. After that the grayscale conversion will carried out. These are belongs to the pre-processing and segmentations. After doing this one, we have to do the feature extraction. So yeah, already we have discussed. In that feature extraction we are going to extract the pattern kinds of features. So the algorithm we have chosen in the sense local binary pattern. This is the algorithm. We are extracting the features from the images. After doing the feature extraction, the images will be looking like this. So this is the image belongs to the local binary pattern. The pattern images will be looking like this. After that, this iteration shows the results of the training process, how much of image is going to be trained. So during the process it will be trained automatically. Then the convolutional neural network is applied to extract the features from the images. So this is the convolutional neural network layers presented here. After that the deep learning of RNN will be applied here. You can see the results here. These are the epochs for the RNN. Finally we have to apply the random forest KNN and the SVM as a hybrid form. This is belongs to the machine learnings. So we have applying the machine learning and the deep learning together to identify whether it is a fake face or genuine face. So we have imported one image which is belongs to the fake faces. So this is displayed here. After doing this one, we have to find out the performance of the process. Performance will be evaluated based on the accuracy and the error rate. So accuracy of CNN, accuracy of machine learning, as well as the accuracy of RNN will be displayed here.